skirt, 8-panel skirt. So this is total of 3.5 yards. You fold it like this. Can you see? It's like this. You fold it twice. Place some fold like this. You make everything equal. Make sure you iron your fabric that you're about to use. Everything is on point. Next thing, depends on how you want the 8-panel to flow very well. If you want the down to be very flowing, you will use 8 inches here. I will tell you the reason for the 8 inches. Let's use 7 inches. You mark 7 inches like this. You can mark it 10. It depends on how you want it to flow. So you roll it. Now you start taking your measurements again. First thing, your full length 40. This is our full length. Then from our waist to our knee, we are using 17. Then the hips point 8.5. So you rule it. Now, this is the hips point, the knee point, and the full length. So what you do here, you start here by 3.5. That is the span of the skirt, 3.5. Here is 4. Here is 4. You can use this measurement for size 14, size 12, size 8. So you bring this one like this. Can you see? And here we can use 14 for the flowing. That's the front. We will now trim it. There's no sewing allowance to trim exactly. Now that is the front. After taking out the front, so this is here. This is the back. This is the zipper. You can leave 2 inches for the zipper allowance, and then you can leave ½ inches sewing allowance. So you roll it together. Then you bring it again. So now you trim. You can leave it like this, you can curve it anyhow. This is the power allowance. So now you are cutting everything together. So that's it. Now you pick the front, take the back away. This is how it is. You will not care to know the front from the back. Now you turn it 360. You arrange it, take your time, arrange it, then you cut again. Have you seen? So make sure you trim everything before. You are not going to nail this part when sewing the fabric. So now after placing it on fold like this, what we have here is 4 inches. So you subtract the 4 like this to get your hips. Our hips is 38, 2 inches sewing allowance. Our waist is 29. The same 4 inches we will subtract it, and 29 is here. Sewing allowance 2 inches. Whatever you have on your hips, you subtract 3 to get your knee. We have 3.5 here. You bring it out, you subtract 3. So we are going to have 34. That's it. You can use your hip sculpt, you can use your free hand, depends on. So that's it. So from here, from this knee point here, so that's it. So that's your 8 panel.